what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, or if y'all are new, welcome to the channel. Just turn my to the fly, don't mind my face, I just woke up and it is now 5:57. Today's the day that I move into my dorm, and it's dark as hell in my room, so you see I got my stuff packed, and I'm about to vlog the moving experience for y'all. I hope y'all do enjoy today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let me know in the comments what y'all want to see after this upload. I'm gonna be consistent. I'm finna get ready because y'all not seeing me like this for the rest of the video. Yeah, let's dive into it, bro.
Gotta play it one more time, bro.
Well, I'm at the bitch in New York. She want me by the Dior. I tell a little bit hit the door. Selling her all of my toys. I'm ballin', but I need some more. Remember I never was poor. Now my whip got butterfly doors.
Before we even start today's video, I just want to make a brief announcement real quick. Y'all see, your boy has partnered up with the people at Alpha Co. You see the tee. You'll see how tough it is. If you want a tee like this or many other fire tees for the summer, or you want to start off, go ahead and buy some hoodies for the winter. Click the link down in the description below and purchase anything from Alpha Co. and use my code J2F500 for 10% off of your purchase. I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead, shop with Alpha, bro. Now, back to the video. So as y'all are watching a little bit of my daily routine, I'm going to give y'all a voiceover, because why not? And I'm going to talk to y'all about what happened during the process of making this vlog, so y'all are not surprised when y'all get to the end of the video. So, I had to pack my camera in a bag of boxes as I was moving, so y'all weren't able to see the entire process like I hoped that y'all would, because I wanted to keep my camera safe. Plus I had a little meeting before the moving actually started, so I couldn't record anyway. And I wanted to see the boys, which y'all will find out later, but I couldn't do that because my camera died. But that's a long story. That's besides the point. Y'all will get a room tour, so look forward to that. Expect a lot more content on campus, I assure you of that. But anyway, yeah, bye.
Many hours later.
People in this campus, I'm good. I would get to that level, I promise. Camille. Oh, the light and crisp, look at that. Golly, boy. Oh, God, yo.
Everybody in their room and shit? Probably wrong.
I don't know. Did I leave my damn phone in the room?
Stupid. 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 Bitch, stupid.
No, whatever.
It don't matter. Oh God, you got an emergency call. Somebody getting murdered.
Hey, if they get murdered, that's on them.
Oh, that's crazy, bro. Damn.
Nah, I can't do that.
So you think they in a little hall? So I'm gonna text you and find out.
They're probably still in Johnson. At the end of the vlog, I'm gonna give y'all a little room tour and shit.
Android lights.
That's what I hate about Instagram. That little voice.
Hey guys.
Where y'all at, bro? Are y'all in y'all little?
Alright, y'all. So we're back in the dorm room after, exploring campus a little bit. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour right here. This is my roommate's side of the room. He got, the little light, his microwave, things of that nature. This is my bed right here. Not everything is organized yet, but this is, my camera box, because I had to make sure that when I packed it, everything was okay, right? This was my little duffel bag. I'm gonna get this off the bed. Everything's pretty much made. It's my laptop. I'm gonna be editing over here. I should put it on my desk. This is where I'm gonna be editing, maybe streaming sometimes, and this is where most of my work is gonna be done. Take y'all over to the bathroom, right? This is a little window view with the AC. Here go the bathroom. Toilet over there. Shower right in here. Lighting's kind of crisp in here. This is where the video is going to end. Make sure y'all do like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that. Expect a lot more content here on campus. I'm probably gonna have a bunch of new videos coming out this week. But until then, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Just hype.
Bust down Rolly Avalanche, yeah, my old bitch average. This my first time rapping it, I might go retarded shit. Bentley coupe, I'm dashing it. Standing my money, I'm toilet shit. Told them, don't you doubt the kid. Told them, don't you doubt the kid. I ran up 30 on 30 on 30. When I'm in the streets, I stay too sturdy.